Greetings, friends, our team has prepared for you a review on registration and a promo code for 1xBet. In this video you will learn how to correctly register and enter promo code XCODE23, which will give you 30% on your deposit. Unlike many companies, 1xBet operates legally. BK1xBet operates under a license obtained from the island of Curaçao, so it is legal in many countries. The company was founded in 2007. Now 1xBet has more than 500,000 players, and low margin and good odds attract more and more people. On the official site of the 1xBet betting company, the predominance of blue and white colors. In the upper right corner we see the opportunity to register or log into an existing account, and below the familiar menu, where we see the transition buttons. In the center we see a list of top lines with events already going on. Also top lines and then went games, as well as movies. And of course you have the opportunity to download a handy application on your phone. But how do you get the bonus? Of course first register on the site 1xBet. By clicking on the registration button we are offered 4 options on how we can register. The first option, in one click, you specify the country and promo code XCODE23 which you already see on the screen, choose a bonus, and click register. The second option is phone registration, where you enter your phone number, promo code XCODE23, and then you will need a code which will come to your phone number. Then you choose your bonus, and that's all, you are registered. Let's move on to the option of registration by mail. This is a little more complicated and longer. You enter your country, region, city where you live, and only then choose the currency. Then you enter your mail, your phone number, your first and last name. And most importantly, a password. And then you have to fill in the mandatory item, promo code XCODE23, which you can see on the screen, as well as your invariable bonus. And we're left with one last option, which is the ability to register via social networks or messengers. Here, it's quite simple. You choose your network option and just wait for all your data to come up, then just choose the currency and your country. The bonus is automatically credited after making a deposit. The user has the right to get only one bonus. After registration, you need to fill in all the fields with personal data in your personal cabinet. 1xBet may change, cancel, renew or refuse any promotion at any time without prior notice. This is mainly due to the fact that users skip the condition of entering all the information in the personal cabinet. That's all dear friends, see you in the next video.